Guys, it's Kin.
Tapos na kami guys. Dahil sa kanya.
Hey guys, it's Kin. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you were watching. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, as you can see from the title, it's going to be the College Diaries episode 23. So today is August 19, 2024 and it's currently 5:30 a.m. in the morning. And today is a Monday. And ayun, this week is our second week of school. And ayun, this is my look. And for my uniform, hindi ko na siya sa inyo ipapakita kasi kabisado niya na yan. I'm just wearing my Type A uniform. And for my hairstyle, I did my iconic bun, flight attendant bun. And as always, sobrang init. And I'm just wearing my pearl earrings. So, ayun, sa totoo lang, ayoko sana mag-vlog this week dahil I don't know kung maririnig nyo sa boses ko, meron akong sakit. So, ayun nga, second week ng pasukan, sobrang init. So, ayun nga, meron akong sakit. So, ang lala ng sipon ko and medyo masakit din yung lalamunan ko. And also, I'm about to have my period. So, wala talaga ako sa mood. So, ayun nga, today is going to be a very long and busy day. Dahil this week, second week pa lang, pero dahil second year na kami, super busy na. And kaya busy today, today is going to be our first food lab. So, yung food lab, guys, magluluto kami doon. Kaya sobrang dami ko talagang dala. So, bukod sa uniform ko ngayon, meron akong dalang isa pang damit, like t-shirt, pants, and whatsoever, para later sa cooking lab. And dala-dala ko yung sobrang daming ingredients, which is yung nandito sa bag na to. Like, ang bigat-bigat nun. Like, sobrang dami niyang ingredients. And for my bag, today is going to be a very, very busy and long day. Busy and long Monday. So, I'm going to use my Anello bag. So, sobrang dami niyang laman. And also, I have here my 1 4 UST big bag. Dahil nga, it's going to be a very busy day. So ayun, dapat, every Monday, ang pasok talaga namin is 10. But, yun nga, may mass kami today. Kaya, yun nga, busy talaga. So, magiging 8 a.m. yung pasok namin. And kailangan ko nang umalis dahil 8 yung mass. And mamaya, 1 to 7 p.m. is our food lab. So, hanggang gabi ako sa school. And yun nga, whole day ako. So, without further ado, kailangan na nating umalis dahil nagmamadali na tayo. So, without further ado, let's hop onto the week.
So, as you can see, nakatayo ako sa bus and it's very stressful because I'm wearing my Type A uniform. It means naka-heels ako and also ang dami kong dala. And here, ayan, nakapila na kami for the mass. And here, nandito na kami sa mass where I met my first crush this school year. And this is our lunch. So, I'm with Dre pa lang kasi inaantay pa namin yung mga friends namin. And after the mass, and after our lunch, so ayan, nakabihis na kami and we're preparing for our kitchen essentials course. So, ayan, as you can see, so, ayun, wala pa akong chef's uniform nung time na to, kaya I'm wearing this uniform na sinabi ng chef namin. And ayan, it's very, very hot and nakaprepare na yung mga ingredients namin. So, this is our first food laboratory and I forgot kung anong ginagawa namin dito, but I think it's a stock. And for our first food laboratory, tinuruan kami ng basic cut for vegetables. So, this is my performance task. And ayan, this is what the kitchen looks like. So, we're wearing our chef's uniform and we all have our ingredients. And by this time, guys, hindi ko na na-video lahat kasi bawal masyado mag-video sa laboratory and very busy talaga and hectic. So, eto guys, naglilinis na kami lahat. And as you can see, ayan, malinis na. Kasi kasama rin sa grading system yan. So, ayan, naghuhugas na kami ng tira-tirang plates, and also pinupunasan na lang namin and inayos namin yung sarili naming gamit. And by this time, ayan, palabas na kami ng laboratory. Ito yung pinakamasayang part every laboratory kasi sobrang nakakapagod siya, and this is what UST looks like at night. And dito naman, I met my mom. So, sinundo niya ako nung araw na to.
Kamusta ang buhay mo dyan? Obi, paano tayo magkikita niyan? Sa kabilang gate.
And ayun nga, sinundo ako ni mom and we had our dinner sa KFC. And as a reward for myself, I bought myself a Starbucks from my own money. And kinabukasan, nagsuspend dahil alam ko nung time na to nagbabadya yung Bulkang Taal na naman. So ayan, Tuesday nagsuspend. So this is our naging online day siya. So this is theology. So we're having our online. And yung next na nag-online that day is eto ata. This is mathematics. Yeah, mathematics. So, yeah. So, after the suspension yesterday, today is Wednesday, and this is how I look like. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog sa bahay, but yan. And of course, bago yung uniform and wala pa kami. So, this is what I am wearing. So, it's my university t-shirt. That's my hair. And ayan, I'm wearing my ID, and it's very early. PE yung first course namin, and I'm with Colleen. And ito yung mga dala ko. So, I have my UST tote bag because may dala akong type A uniform because we need to change for the next course. And ayan. And my bag is the blue Lacoste for today. So, after our PE class, me and Colleen went for a lunch. So, para sa mabilisang lunch, we always go for baksilog. So, ayan. And after that, pumunta kami ng Dapitan. So, here I am buying my favorite shake. So, ayan, just by watching this, guys. If you guys know this, you guys know this. So, it's the best. And also, as I've mentioned earlier, wala pa akong chef's uniform. So, ayan guys, nabili na ako ng chef's uniform ko dahil sa Dapitan yung nabibili. And ayun na nga guys, after ng PE class namin, after namin mag-lunch and bumili ng chef's uniform ko, finally nakabili na ako ng uniform ko by that time. So, right here, me and Colleen, nagre-retouch kami and nagpapalit kami ng uniform namin, which is the type A uniform for our next class. Colleen is my best friend, and as you can see kanina pa this day, kaming dalawa lang yung magkasama dahil wala yung tatlo, hindi sila pumasok sa first course. So 1 PM pa sila papasok. So ayan.
take us in on how people in our industry impress clients and provide exceptional services. So allow us to introduce technological innovation from hospitality tourism industry.
Facial recognition. Facial recognition technology enhances hotel operations by providing exceptional check-in experiences, allowing guests to quickly check in and receive room keys by scanning their faces. It ensures identified verification by comparing facial features with ID documents, boosting security and preventing fraud. Facial recognition enhances hotel security by managing access and collecting guest data to improve marketing and services. So how it enhance and help the tourism and hospitality industry? So first, it helps scan hotel guest faces to create personalized room key cards. So it's more high-tech and it builds more privacy. And second is to automatically open the doors to make things faster. And third, to pay for amenities. So also to make things faster and more high-tech. And fourth, to restrict certain hotel employees from accessing some areas. So in this way, it's much secure. And for the last and the fifth, it will eliminate the need of having to carry around a physical key card or a key. So it's less hassle and it builds more security and it makes things faster. So it really, the facial recognition really helps the tourism and hospitality industry.
And we are going to be presenting Traveling Smarter, 3 innovations transforming one spot.
Magbigay isang international airlines bukod sa pala at sa Buga City. Already, 1, 2, 3, go!
Qatar Airlines!
Possible illness, or usually called contact tracing to make sure the safety of the travelers. For the key features of e-travel, we have convenient to access travel information, provide updates about the travel.
Community nakatulong.
True. Paano?
Pero may ari ng hotel, definitely. Yan is may higit sa hotel. Malakas, mga kinagalang sa batin nyo. Second choice. So, eto tayo. So, alam niyo na ha.
Kulin, ano yan? Ipapasa sa food lab. Okay ka lang, Lorraine?
No, I'm not okay.
Why? Share mo sa kanila. Ayaw nila magpalit ng outfit.
My friends,
Early dismissal kami ng
they're
1 hour.
My friends, they're so, lazy.
Try door.
Yeah.
Okay, simple lang. Hindi siya sabi dito kayo mag-plan. Paano ko, I'll give something over canvas. Please make it. I need the pages per pages. Okay? Ano?
Ano sila rin? Araw kumakain mo?
Looks so good, guys.
Out of stock na po.
We have the same order.
Broccoli.
Ito yung mga pinapanood ko. Panoodin nyo na. Next week. Kasi magkakapalit.
Tapos na kami guys. Dahil sa kanya, mathematician ka na pala. Ayan guys, gumagawa pa sila ulit.
Ay, major.
Gago.
Isa taga-TUP. Ano rin ba na?
Sana all ghoster. Ay ka sa vlog. Ayan guys, tingnan mo, ang ingay niya. Hey guys, so it's currently 7:56 p.m. and I'm with my cousin. Hi ka sa vlog.
Hi.
And sorry guys, hindi ako masyado nakapag-update talaga buong week since last week and today. Dahil sobrang busy, lalo kanina.
Hindi ka nga pumapasok ka.
Memo talaga to. And ayun nga,
Nagbibilyar
gagi, ang dami naming quiz and kung ano-ano pa. And now, it's currently 7:56 p.m. and kasama ko yung pinsan ko na outsider to. Oo, gamit niya yung ID ko. So, ayun guys, nandito kami sa UST and paalis kami. Galing kaming dapitan ni Alexa. So, ginsert ko dito ID niya. Pakay na magay ka naman. Joke lang guys. So, yun nga, galing kaming dapitan. So, nag-french fries lang kami and then nag-Macau. Okay, nakakahinga. Ang dilim. So, ayun nga, nag-fries lang kami and nag-milk tea kami ng... Anong oras ba tayo dumating? Pero, siguro mga 2 hours din tayo doon. 1 hour and 30 minutes or 2 hours kami doon, guys. So, kumain lang kami, bonding, life update.
Nanira.
Ayun. And now, ngayon nga, nandito kami sa UST, naglalakad kami dito and then ang dilim-dilim, hindi nyo masyado makita. And now, guys, lagi nyo na nga pala siya makikita sa vlog ko. Kasi tiga Manila na siya. Dito na siya nag-aaral sa FEU, guys. So, hit her up. Guys. And ayan, guys. Papunta kami ngayon sa... Condo ba yun or dorm?
Kondo.
Sa condo niya. So, hi ka sa vlog, baby.
Kanina pa nakakayong to.
So, ayun nga, guys. Papunta kami ngayon sa condo niya. Dadalhin niya ako for the first time. Bibisita lang ako siguro mga 30 minutes doon or mga 1 hour. And after nun, uwi na ako. And I'm just going to update you kung anong mangyayari ngayong gabi until tomorrow. And then, ikakat ko na yung vlog. So, ayun guys. Bye ka na. Bye. Parang bata lang na. Kia! Kailan mo si Kia? So, ayun guys.
So yeah, dinala na nga ako ng cousin ko sa condo niya. And this is what the room looks like. And meron din silang study area, meron silang gym area, meron silang pool area and everything. To be honest, parang gusto ko nang mag-condo or mag-dorm na din dahil dito. But yeah.
So after 10 years, makapunta na kami sa pool. I hope it's open. So, tingnan nga. Vista Rec. Ay, joke. Bawal pa yung sabihin. Ooh. Ngayon lang na lang. Madulas. Wait lang. Ay, may multo. So, nakakaingat guys. Kasi may free ba tong gym yung isa? May gym tapos doon. Ano yung meron doon sa? Doon banda. Laruan. May study room, function hall. Diba guys? Tapos tingin ka dito sa. Sabihin mong hindi mo ginagamit yung gym. Hello guys. So, it's Friday. Hindi ko na alam anong date na ngayon. Diyos ko, parang gumigising na lang ako bigla. Tapos papasok. So, it's currently 5 a.m. Legit. Saktong 5, oh. And, as you can see, guys, wala akong makeup. May nilagay lang akong skincare sa face ko. And then, ayan. Tapos yung hair ko, it's down. Sinuklay ko lang siya ng konti. Uniform na ako. And, mag-isa lang ako. Naglalakad ako ngayon. Ay, papunta ako sa tricyclean dahil papasok na ako ulit. Guys, grabe. Yung makeup ko, gagawin ko na lang siya sa bus. And then, yung hairstyle ko na bun na napakahirap gawin, sa bus ko na lang din gagawin. Kasi, nagising ako 4:30. And, sobrang bibigay na yung katawan ko sa pagod. Dahil nakauwi ako kagabi, magto-12 na. Tapos pag uwi ko, syempre naghilamos pa ako, nagayos ako ng bag for today, nagayos akong uniform, may binasa pa akong for our subject for today. Tapos tsaka ako natulog. So natulog ako probably past 1, mga 1:30 na. Diyos ko. And gumising ako 4:30, tama ba? So 3 hours natulog, parang umiglip lang ako, mas matagal pa yung biyahe ko. Sobrang nasusuka na ako. And sobrang sakit ng buong katawan ko. And yeah, I'm so tired. I'm so fucking tired. Isa lang yung subject ko ngayon. Tapos dediretso na ako uwi. I'm just going to update you guys. So, bye guys. Okay lang ba yung pagkakagawa ko ng bangs? Wait lang, hi ka sa vlog.
Uy, nanood pa tayo dito.
Amazon.
Amazon. Prime ulit.
Balik ka rin pala sa akin.
T-Mobile.
Ano yan?
Hindi ko din alam. Sony. Ay, Sony. Ano yung Sony? May tunog ba yun? Windows.
Ano yan?
If I wrote you a symphony